technology is a very small part of a business ecosystem. There are three things that entrepreneurs forget. They get married to their idea, but they forget that when somebody is going to go from status quo to something new, three things must happen. First, it must create value in the eyes of the user. Otherwise, there's no market. Second, it must be measurable in currency. That currency could be, and I'll give you examples, that currency could be a time value of money, for example. So a farmer in a small village has to take his tractor 20 kilometers to the nearest petrol pump and back. And in doing so, he will spend 4 liters of diesel going and coming. If I taught the farmer to make his own diesel, I save those 4, but the farmer sees it as the opportunity cost of going and coming back, right? So, last week I was in a small village near Hastinapur in UP, and we were talking about some of these ideas. So the second thing for the entrepreneur is that measured in money. And the third thing, which every entrepreneur I see, every startup tends to forget in their early pitches, is relative to the next best alternative, including do nothing and emerging alternatives. Very often their solution is static, not recognizing that both the market and the customer need might be shifting over the next period. So we try to support entrepreneurs. We are usually pretty direct and blunt. So that is more time efficient, though it's not always, I would say, emotionally nice. But we will tell entrepreneurs what they can do to review their offering. And if the offering is good, we will link them up with other people who can help them build supply chains.